Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are camping in Webster City, Iowa still. And I know we failed, we missed 2 days of the Halloween countdown. But not only was it the Halloween countdown, but it was Mr. Cameraman's birthday countdown. So we're going to try out his birthday present today. He loves breakfast pizza, and now I'm going to be able to cook it wherever we are camping. Let's try it out. Hopefully this thing isn't too big to use in the camper. I did not know it's going to be this giant. Gets to be 660 degrees. Now, since we're going to be camping with this, I'm going to be cooking with it outside. Now, the kind of bummer part is it doesn't tell you that it takes 30 minutes to preheat. So I'm just going to get it started right now. I'm going to set it to thin crust because that's what I'm going to be cooking. And now this little light on top says that it's heating. So now in 30 minutes, I'm going to be able to pop the pizza on. Let's go build the pizza. Pretty hot in there. Now it says you should use a pizza peel, but I don't have one. So we are just gonna Now I looked in the recipe book and it says that an egg should be cooked in like 7 minutes. Now you can also just make crust and cook a pizza on here on this, but you can also use frozen, so that's why I'm just using a pre-made crust. Mr. Cameraman's back here telling me no more cheese. Now let's check on it in about 7 minutes. Okay, so the cheese is touching the heating element, so I'm gonna kind of smush the pizza down. And so far this totally sucks. Your pizza cannot be, that's like an inch thick. So So I'm just gonna go inside and put this in the oven. I would not use this product. Well, we are back in Arizona, and hopefully that pizza maker is back to wherever it came from. I mean, it wasn't horrible, but your pizza would have to be super, super, super thin. Frozen pizza thickness or a super, super thin homemade pizza. And for the price, I do not think it's worth it, because even the normal pizzas I've made with crust that rises, the crust would rise that high, and I'm just scared that it would also touch the heating element. Not really sure what went wrong there. It's basically just a glorified frozen pizza cooker, unless you want to make a super thin fresh pizza. But we did not let that pizza go to waste. It was absolutely delicious after baking at about 375 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. It was so good. Thanks for watching this video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.